to another unboxing. We have two Digimon Domes to open. These were released in 2016. Wait, what? Why are we doing these? They're old. Oh, because we filmed this in 2017 and misplaced the footage. Until now.
Oh, yep.
Welcome to another unboxing. We have two Digimon Domes to open. So apparently, these are old and no longer available. But let's proceed. There are 9 to collect in this series, with 8 standard and 1 chase. Greymon. But on to bag 1. It's Agumon. And bag 2. It's Palmon. So these were an early Dome series, and although you may still be wondering why we are unboxing something so old, this series, not unlike its characters, was the evolution point where domes weren't just original minis in, well, a dome. The dome's character sculpting was something new and far better in this series than any series prior, and would continue the progression and further improve from here on out. So much so that Zag Toys, after the release of Digimon, would drop the original minis line entirely. Sadly, a second series was hinted but never eventuated. But for now, that's all we have time for.
Digimon, digital monsters, Digimon are the champions. Digimon, digital monsters, Digimon are the champions.